Okay, this is a small but big step that you should definitely do before you update your HubSpot CRM with Clay or really with anything. I think this is something that most people that are professionals would definitely do as they would take it for granted, and everyone else would not know about this. So for those who don't know about this, definitely do this. It's backing up your HubSpot instance before you run an enrichment, especially a large one. When you're writing or reading or updating HubSpot records, right? It's sensitive. It's your go to market motherboard, and so if you do something wrong, let's say you enrich the wrong information, you lose everything from before, or you just delete stuff for some reason, whatever. For whatever reason, something goes wrong and you mess things up, it would be worse than before. I know you might not believe it can get worse than your current data set, but it can. It's called that they're messed up even more or deleted or something. So it's very easy to do this. Just look up how to back up HubSpot. HubSpot has a knowledge base. I think it's available in every single plan. Yeah, it looks like it is. You just follow these steps. You can download a backup file, and it's just a good thing to do in case something goes wrong. You can even do automated recurring backups if you haven't already. I would do this as well. And then you can just restore your HubSpot to a specific state in the past, or you can even do, as you can see here, specific properties on a specific record object. So you could say, I want to restore the city and country and lifecycle stage property of the company object from how it was a week ago, whatever it is. This is very important. It's a quick tip, but I recommend doing it for your HubSpot instance or your customers before you operate in their HubSpot.